Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Assetto Corsa installed, Content Manager optional but recommended, and mod files downloaded. Once done, extract the traffic mod and any dependency into one folder so you don't lose track. Make sure to back up your original game and Content Manager folders to restore if needed. Now launch Content Manager or the game launcher and prepare to import the mod files. This first action prevents conflicts and speeds installation when you proceed to enable the mod. You now install the traffic mod by copying folders into the game's content directory or using Content Manager's import. Once placed, open Content Manager and enable the traffic plugin under Plugins installed. This activates integration with the game. Then configure key options, vehicle spawn density, AI behavior, and performance limits to balance realism and frame rate. Make small changes and apply them. This step avoids crashes and tells the mod how many cars to create and how aggressively they behave in traffic. You finish by testing. Load a track with AI and observe traffic density and behavior. Once you confirm it works, fine-tune spawn rates and AI aggressiveness for realism. If you encounter stuttering or crashes, try reducing spawn count or lowering vehicle LOD and physics complexity. That usually fixes performance issues. If problems persist, disable the plugin and restore your backup to revert changes. This lets you isolate the issue and reapply the mod with safer settings or updated versions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.